Hello, Assalamu alaikum, and welcome to lesson number 4 on page 7. Now, lesson number 4 is an extension and revision version of lesson number 3. So, in lesson number 3, we learned things with spelling. So, we were doing Hamza Fata A, and then Hamza Kasra I, and then Hamza Dhamma U. And then we were reading without spelling A, I, U. But in this lesson, we will just read it out without spelling. So, ta, ti, tu, like that. And the idea is, while doing so, we are going to differentiate between the closely related sounds. So, let us begin. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. First, ta, ti, tu. Next, ta, ti, tu. Did you hear the difference? Let's move on. The, zi, zu. The, thu. Again, the, zi, zu. Next, the, thu. So these three were pretty much normalized, but these three, so this zal came out with our tongue just sticking out a bit, touching the rabbit tooth on front. Next, the, thu. Next, the, thu. Next, the, thu. Next, sa, si, su. Next, so, si, su. Next, ka, ki, ku. Next, ko, ki, ku. Next, ha, he, hu. Let's move to page number 8. Ha, he, hu. Next, a, I, u. Next, a, I, u. Next, the, du. Next, kho, khi, khu. Next, go, gi, gu. Next, ba, bi, bu. Next, ma, mi, mu. Next, wa, wi, u. Next, basically this should be wa, wi, wu, wu, wu. Next, fa, fi, fu. Next, la, li, lu. Next, na, ni, nu. Next, ra, ri, ru. Next, ja, ji, ju. Next, sha, shi, shu. Next, ya, yi, you. Alhamdulillah. And at the end, we have one of the names of Allah Azza wa Jal among the 99 names. Ya Khabir. Ya Khabir. So this is one of Allah's name, which means the all-knowing one. See you in the next lesson.